when you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hello everybody, it is Farmhand Mike, and I am out in the field near Bement, Illinois, bringing you some 2020 soybean harvest action. In this video is a new Fendt Ideal 8 combine pushing a MacDon 45-foot flex draper head. Also in this video you will see a Challenger 2-track tractor, a model MT755D, pulling a J&M 1150 grain storm grain cart. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day here in Illinois, a little windy, but hey, got some good drone footage, some good on-the-ground shots for this video. This new Fendt Ideal combine was sold by Coons Equipment out of Arthur, Illinois. I believe they told me they've sold 8 of these so far for this season. I do have videos of some of the other ones doing soybeans and corn, some with tires, some with LSW tires, and some with tracks, so stay tuned. I will get those videos out as soon as I can. The Fendt Ideal Combine is an AGCO product, and these are manufactured in Italy. There's 4 different models, a Model 7, the 8 as you see here, a 9, and a 10. The Ideal 8 you see in this video is powered with a MAN 12.4-liter diesel engine rated at 470 horsepower with a max horsepower rating of 538 horsepower. These have a road speed of 25 miles per hour. This machine has a 350 bushel grain tank that can unload at 4 bushels per second. Some other Fendt Ideal combine videos I'll have coming from the Illinois area will also be another Model 8 on wheels like you see here with a 16-row corn header. I have another 8 on LSW tires with a 12-row corn head, and a Model 9 on tracks with a 45-foot MacDon Draper head and soybeans. So stay tuned for those videos. Like I said, I will get those out as soon as I can. I have all kinds of good videos coming to my channel, so you're just going to have to stay tuned. This is a busy time of the year for me, so editing is kind of on the back burner. Trying to get these edited as quick as I can, so a rain day or two does help me get caught up here. If you want, you can check me out on Instagram to kind of get a good idea of what I'm filming or what's going to be coming in future videos. The Challenger MT755D Tractor in this video was built in Jackson, Minnesota. These are powered with an 8.4-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 327 engine horsepower. These tractors weigh in at approximately 31,075 pounds, and of course the J&M grain cart is built by J&M Manufacturing out of Fort Recovery, Ohio. Just talking with the guys that bought these Fendt Ideal combines, they have a lot of really good things to say about them. They say the threshing, the grain sample, especially in soybeans, is amazing. And a lot of these guys come from other color combines, and like I said, just have a lot of good things to say about them. I really like the looks of this combine. Of course, all my vehicles are black. I do like black vehicles and so forth, and I think this color scheme on this combine looks great. One of the videos I do have coming of a Fendt Ideal with a 16-row corn head is running beside a black Fendt 1050 tractor pulling a black J&M grain cart. So that will definitely be a good video when I get time to edit that one. So definitely stay tuned and look out for that one. I will post a picture of that on my Instagram here real soon. I just shot that video yesterday. Whoa, is that some of that Walls outdoor gear that guy's wearing? That's going to wrap up this video. As you can see in here, it was quite windy while I was shooting this video. Yes, I do have a windsock on my camera, but when it's windy, it's just windy, and there's not much I can do about it. We'll try to improve that on the next video, but anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching. Feel free to comment below, hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.